Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have the x. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we just have only this one and we have number 1. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. We have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to x. So we have this one and that is about number 1. This one you got number 0 and we can see that this one and this one they are same, so that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function f(y) equals to the integration. So I select about this one. So the integration of x to the power of 3, we have x to the power of 4 over number 4. This one we have 3x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one we don't have y, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1, so we have 3x. And we know that this one equals to this one. And now we need to simplify 3x for the both sides. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of y, we have y squared over number 2. This one we have y and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, we have 3xy. 3xy equals to this one. And we know that this one, that is about fxy. fxy equals to c. And now we simplify like this. Number 2 simplify with number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.